What's up, YouTube? This is Angel Charms. Over the last few days, I've been listening to videos about Trump changing the qualifications for the SNAP program, aka food stamps. I've heard about the change of dependency from 18 to 7, and I'm not even going to touch that. The things I've heard, I'm not going to even touch that. But what I do want to know is, what do you think about people wanting to continue receiving the SNAP benefits having to work 80 hours a month? Do you think that's a good amount? Is it not enough? Or any other thoughts that you may have? Leave your comment in the comment section and let's talk about it.